Got something really cool to show you guys at the famous Sprinkles Cupcake ATM. So we're going to order from it and I'm going to show it to you. Really cool. I've been meaning to come here forever. They have it in store. You can go inside too if you wanted to. I want to try the Cupcake ATM. It should be pretty exciting. There it goes. Touch. Let's see. You have a lot of choices here. Ooh, looks good. I think I'm going to go with a coconut. Get one. Don't know how do you do it. I don't know if you do just one or not, but we can order it separately. Check out, and then we'll do another. And you wipe your credit card, and that door is going to open. Let's try it out. Your purchase is on its way. Then I'm going to order one more. Show you guys again. Pretty exciting. Oh, there's that. And then we're going to get one more. Pretty cool, huh? Come on. Let's get, oh, I know. Banana dark chocolate. How about that? Very simple process. Just gotta make sure you swipe your card quickly. Swipe the card once with authorizing it. And my purchase is on its way. And you've seen all the different flavors and everything. I'm doing this kind of quick because there's a big line. I don't want people to wait, but this is cool. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's been charged $5.86. Ooh, yeah, it's like a little party in a box. Awesome.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Isn't that fountain?